Scoliosis is the curvature of the spine. It's usually an S-shaped curve of the spine, and most scoliosis is idiopathic, and that word basically means we don't know the reason why you develop scoliosis. There's been a ton of tests, ton of studies trying to figure out, why scoliosis develops. Another form of scoliosis is degenerative scoliosis, and that just means as the disc or the cushion between the bones wear out, the bones start to align in an inappropriate manner, and that's scoliosis. All scoliosis doesn't have to be treated. A lot of folk live with scoliosis, and it's perceived as a bad word, but it ranges from very mild to very severe. It just depends on your scoliosis level. You would have to come in and get x-rays, and we'll figure out from there where to go.